Hi there, my name is Grant Clematis and I am a professional app developer and teacher, and I want you to be a professional app developer too in iOS 11. Now this course is aimed at new and slightly experienced developers, but just to be clear, you do not need experience to take this course. That's because I explain everything clearly as we go. We are going to cover pretty much every topic there is to cover for iOS, and I have only one goal, and that's to make you an advanced developer capable of creating your own apps or applying for those six-figure development jobs. I want to make you a well-rounded machine, and to do that, here's a little snippet of what we're going to cover. First of all, we'll look at Basic Swift 4, which is the basic programming language that we need for iOS 11. It's similar to Swift 3, but there are some slight changes we need to be aware of. Now, whilst I'm doing this, I'm also going to be teaching you solid programming principles so that you can move on from Swift to C# or Java or any other object-oriented language, and you'll feel right at home. After that, we'll move swiftly on to creating your very first app, because let's face it, that's why you're here. Following that, you'll learn how to correctly design for user experience in sort of the iOS enclave. You'll also learn how to create great user interfaces, and then we'll move on to creating many different apps, so I can teach you things like animations, internet resources, REST APIs, and so much more. In between all of those, I'm going to give you a little bit of advice on how to be a freelancer, an entrepreneur, or how to get those haloed six-figure development jobs. Now, coming back to the apps, every time you create a new app on this course with me, you'll learn a new concept. And I've constructed this course in such a way as to introduce new things bit by bit. I'll even challenge you with short and fun homework tasks designed to get you thinking like a professional. Now, I promise I will never introduce complicated concepts before I show you the basics that you need, and that way you'll stay motivated and happy like this lady on the beach. I guarantee that you will not want to put this course down. Now, bear in mind that this course is always a work in progress. It's never really finished. I keep adding new stuff every couple of weeks, so there's always something new and exciting to learn. So now that you know what this course is, who it's for, and what you'll learn, you are ready to start your engines and lift off on a brand new development adventure.